retail for some Space Jams worn once. Of course I'm on that. Welcome back. I'm that Reek, man. Appreciate you tuning in. So today we have a quick story time, quick review. You know what I'm saying? Quick pickup look, whatever you want to call it. But this shoe came out 5 years ago, and like this pickup literally fell into my lap, man. So you see from the title and thumbnail, you know, I don't know what we're gonna title it yet, but this box should be in the thumbnail so you can see, you know what I'm saying, just a little quick sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? The Looney Tunes. Oh, is that upside? Looney Tunes. So, to give you an idea, if you don't know already, then, here we go. Size tag, size 12, of course. Boom, Jumpman, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, so chilling with the squad, you know what I'm saying? We having a good time, man. Then, we get with your peoples. It's been a while. You start, sharing stories or whatever. Talk about life, all that good stuff. So basically, my bro was like, yeah, my nephew, man, he's getting big. His feet getting bigger. He wear like a 13 or 14 now. He wearing my Space Jams. I'm like, yo, what? He's that big? I'm like, yo, that's crazy. He's like, bro, just give me retail. I'm like, retail? For some Space Jams worn once? Of course I'm on that. But, being real, I'm like, hey, bro, are you sure? Because they're going for some bread right now. Even if you won once, you can still get some good money. So I told him to check out, different platforms or whatever. Check the prices, you know what I'm saying, before you commit to this. So, we in there, everybody checking prices, everybody comparing prices. But he was like, yeah, that's cool, man. I ain't tripping. I'd rather sell them to you for retail. I get my money back. And I know you're going to rock the shoe. They're going to be in good hands. So, long story short, appreciate you. And here we are today. So, you can see you got the Space Jam box with the Monstars. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go open this joint up. Got that matte blocks with that 45 on the top. Open it up. You get that 11 film right here. Oh, so you got the light and everything in the reflection. Go ahead and take this off. And you get like the Galaxy print on the inside of the box, which is a nice touch, you know what I'm saying? You got the 45 paper, of course. Like I said, it's going to be quick because the shoe's been out for 5 years, so everybody's seen these by now. Here we go. We got the Space Jam 11s. As you can see, these are still in immaculate condition. Like, these are too clean. Look at the back. You know how it gets that crease, when you wear them? Nah. These joints are too fresh. Bro must have put these on for like a picture, or he went to the movies and like he was tiptoeing in these joints. Cause there's like no signs of wear. Even the sole. Look at the outsole. Still icy. There's a little dust on that joint, but that can be just like worn indoors. Like there weren't any fingerprints, nothing. Let me check out the other pair. Same thing. Like, these are too crispy. No creasing on the heel at all. You see that stitch? Yeah, they embroidered 45 on the back. Got the Jumpman, of course. Like, yeah, I had the chance to cop these during the release, but during that time, I was more logical than, like, a shoe head, I guess, at that time, because I had the 72 10s, or 72 and 10s, and they were basically like the same colorway, you know what I'm saying? So it was, well, hold on, I'll show you. Alright, so, the 72 and 10s, all black, white midsole. Is it picking up? It's not even focusing. There you go. White midsole, icy bottom, whatever. So, when these drop, I'm like, bro, they're It's literally like the same color scheme. Aside from the bottom and, you know, the Jumpman, different color. But the upper is it's basically 2 black and white shoes. So I was like, I don't need these because I already have these. So that's why I didn't get them, you know, during the initial release. But now I'm trying to get like all the OGs and like everything that I should have picked up that I didn't. You know, shout out to The Last Dance. So luckily I was able to cop these for a steal of a price, man. Shout out to Zach, cause bro, you blessed me with these, man. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick overview of the shoe, quick story time, whatever. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. If you haven't done so already, make sure you comment what you think about these. Did you pick them up? I posted these on my IG and goddamn Josh said his pair still dead stock. Like, it's been 5 years and bro hasn't even touched them. I was like, yo, more power to you. Pre-COVID, pre-pandemic, if my shoe was more than a week old, like without me wearing them, I had an issue. Like I hated having dead stock shoes because like I don't believe in like buying shoes and just looking at them. Like I buy them to wear them. So now we know with COVID and pandemic and everything, it's different. It's still like killing me inside. But like every chance I get, I try to wear a new pair of shoes. But like pre-COVID, when everything was open and you did what you wanted to do, I'm rocking all my stuff. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, man. Appreciate y'all for listening to my little story time, watching the video and all that good stuff, man. Make sure y'all put on that post notification so you won't miss my next video. Catch y'all next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now y'all excited.